This one small change made a huge difference in my life and peace of mind. In this video, you'll learn a clear step-by-step blueprint to create your financial safety net without overwhelming your budget. No complicated strategies, no unrealistic advice, just practical actions you can start today. What would you do if your car broke down tomorrow and you had zero savings? Most people think building an emergency fund takes years, but what if you could start one this week, even living paycheck to paycheck? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to go from $0 to financial protection, step by step. And once you see how simple this is, you'll wish you started sooner. Let's be honest. Living without savings is exhausting. Every unexpected expense feels like a crisis. A medical bill, a car repair, even a higher than normal grocery trip. It's not just about money. It's about the constant background stress. But here's something most people get wrong. Building an emergency fund is not about making more money first. It's about building a system that protects you, even on the income you have right now. Because financial peace doesn't start when you're rich. It starts the moment you create a cushion between you and life's surprises. And today, I'm going to walk you through a simple, realistic blueprint to build your emergency fund from absolutely nothing. No extreme budgeting, no giving up everything you enjoy, no complicated strategies. Just practical steps that actually work. By the end of this video, you'll know how to save your first $100 quickly, the habit that makes saving automatic, where to uncover hidden money, how to stay consistent when expenses hit, and the exact milestones that turn stress into confidence. So if you're tired of feeling one bill away from financial disaster, let's build your safety net, starting today. The first thing to do is check your subscriptions, not the big ones, the tiny ones you forgot about. Next, grab a laundry basket, not for clothes, for stuff you don't use. A pair of shoes you never wear, a blender you forgot you owned, a stack of books collecting dust. Then list them online to sell. To start, you'll need to open a dedicated savings account if you don't already have one. Look for accounts that offer high interest rates and minimal fees to maximize your savings potential. Once your account is ready, decide on a percentage or amount of your paycheck that you want to save automatically. Many banks and financial institutions offer the ability to set up direct deposits. Setting up automatic savings is one of the most effective strategies for building a safety net. By automating your savings, you can ensure that a portion of your income is consistently set aside without the need for active management. This approach not only simplifies the savings process, but also helps you avoid the temptation to spend that money. For beginners, this step can be crucial. Where to uncover hidden money is a vital step in building a solid financial foundation, especially for those starting from scratch. Many young adults often overlook small recurring costs that can add up significantly over time. By identifying and eliminating these expenses, you can redirect that money towards your emergency fund, making it easier to prepare for life's unexpected turns. Stay consistent when life gets expensive. Saving money is easy when nothing goes wrong. The real test? When life gets chaotic. Here's the rule that keeps you winning. Never stop completely. If you normally save $25, but this month is tight, save $5. Protect the habit at all costs, because habits are like muscles. Once they weaken, everything feels harder. Consistency builds confidence. The milestone strategy. Stop thinking of this as one giant mountain. Break it into steps. Step 1, $100. You are no longer defenseless. Step 2, $500. Most small emergencies disappear. Step 3, $1,000. Breathing room begins. Step 4, 3 to 6 months of expenses. This is where real financial calm lives. Notice something important. It grows in layers, and every layer reduces fear. If this video shifted how you think about money, do not let this be where your financial story ends. Subscribe because this channel is about one thing, helping everyday people build calm, confident finances without stress or confusion. Next, watch the video on your screen. It will show you exactly how to stop living paycheck to paycheck so you can accelerate this emergency fund even faster. Remember, you don't need perfection. You don't need a huge paycheck. You need a plan. Start small, stay consistent, and build the safety net your future self is depending on. I'll see you in the next video. Money Made Simple.